It is normal to absent from work because of planned or unplanned situations. Therefore, and to ensure the continuity of work without any interruption, Spark Workflow provides a great feature to delegate workflow tasks automatically to other users. The user can create automated delegation instances for his workflow tasks by using the Tasks Delegation feature. In other cases, the admin can create automated delegation instances to delegate tasks from one user to another user as well. Furthermore, the admin can delegate or complete certain tasks using the Central Tasks Management feature. Let's talk about the Tasks Delegation feature first. This feature is very important for users and employees when they have to absent from work because of a vacation or work or for any reason. It allows the users to create automated delegation instances for their workflow tasks. Once the user creates a delegation instance, all tasks which will be assigned to him in the future will be automatically delegated to another user within the absence period specified in the instance. The user easily can create an automated delegation instance. The user needs to log into the system by his account. And at the top of the page, from the SharePoint Settings drop-down menu, select Delegate My Tasks. As we see here, the delegate from is the user who's already logged in the system. Now we are going to delegate the tasks from user Mike to another user. Select the user that you want to delegate the tasks to. Specify the period from date to date. Then specify if this delegation for tasks will be applied globally, which means on the entire farm, or on a site level, or on a list level. I am going to select the specific list. As we see here, a drop-down list will appear to select the list from. Select the list. Then click on the Add button in the ribbon to add the delegation into registered instances. You can create multiple instances to delegate tasks to different users. And you can delete the delegation from here. Okay, let's see how the automated delegation instance works by assigning a new task for Mike. As we can see here, in the user profile workflow that integrated with the user profile form. Once creating a new user profile, there is a new task request approval should be assigned to Mike. Let's create a new user profile. Add the data quickly and submit. As we see here, the task has been delegated to Alex instead of Mike due to the automated delegation. It is worth mentioning that the site administrator can create an automated delegation instance from any user to any user in case the user is unable to do it by himself. In the same way, as the user creates the automated delegation. But here the admin should select the user to delegate from, and the user to delegate to, and the rest steps as we did it before. As we see, this workflow should assign a new task to Jim, but after the delegation, it is assigned to Sarah. Now let's talk about the great feature, Central Tasks Management in Spark Workflow, which allows sites administrators to delegate or complete tasks on behalf of users in case they have many workflows stuck on a certain user account, and that user is unable to access his account for any reason. Let's see how the admin can delegate certain tasks from the SharePoint settings at the top of the page. Click on Central Tasks Management. And here it is, the Central Tasks Management screen. Select the tasks list. And then search for a user to query his running tasks. Specify the task type, approval tasks, review tasks, or custom tasks. You can apply more advanced search fields by entering the created date and any task name keywords, or leave them empty. Click on Query Tasks. As we see here, the user tasks have been retrieved. From here, you can delegate the tasks to any user we want. You can select one task, or multi-tasks, or all of them. Then from the three dots, we see here the Delegate option. Click on it. And a Delegate dialog will open. Select the user that you want to delegate the selected tasks to. Then click on Delegate Task. As we see here, the tasks were removed from the list task of the user, because these tasks are no longer for Mike. As I mentioned before, the site's administrators also can complete tasks on behalf of users in some cases. From the same list, select the tasks that you want to take an action for them. From the three dots, select Task Action. And an Approval Task dialog will open, because the type of the task that we have selected is Request Approval. Take the action, approve or reject. As we see here, the tasks were removed from the list task of the user. If we change the task type to Review Tasks, then click on Query Tasks and select Tasks to take an action. A Review Task dialog will open. Let's get back to the workflow. As we see here, the workflow task has been completed. We just watched how it's easy to create automated delegation instances for users' workflow tasks using Spark Workflow's My Tasks Delegation feature, and how the site administrator can create a delegation instance from any user to any user in case the user is unable to do it by himself. Also watched how the site's administrators will be able to do bulk delegations or complete an entire group of tasks with a click by the Central Tasks Management feature. Follow us to learn more about advances used for SharePoint and Spark Workflow. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and if you have a comment, please write it down. Thank you.